जी बहन जी, खीरा है? जी बहन जी।
अंदर ले लो।
हदीस औरत।
कुत्ते की दुम जो हमेशा टेढ़ी रहती है, कभी भी सीधी नहीं होती। तुम लोग भी वैसे ही हो, कुत्ते की दुम की तरह।
करना चाहे आओ, मेरा सीना हाजिर है।
Everybody can't hook and feel this.
I recommend not using that. Take a shower. Use this. It's split remedy. It reduces up to 80% of split ends after 3 uses. But anyways. So basically, if you want like medium curls, then take a piece about this big. Maybe like so right there and bring it up the middle of your finger. And then like do it like this and then like wrap it around. I think that this is what makes the curls look pretty, and like wrap it up. And then count 20. Count 20 or longer, actually.